Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Podcast. In our previous episode, we listened to the story The Mountain That Tested Courage. In that story, Mohit climbed Mount Veer with bravery and determination, helped his friend Meera, and finally reached the top. But every journey does not end at the mountain top. Sometimes, after success, a challenge begins. Today's continuation story is titled The Valley of Doubt. This story will teach us how to deal with self doubt, fear of failure, and lack of confidence. So sit comfortably, listen carefully, and let us begin our journey into the Valley of Doubt. After returning from Mount Veer, Mohit became famous in his village. People praised his courage and bravery. Children gathered around him every evening to listen to his adventure. Even elders respected him more than before. But one day, something unexpected happened. An old traveler arrived in the village. He carried a wooden stick and wore a long brown coat. He approached Mohit and said, I heard about your courage on Mount Veer. Mohit smiled politely. Yes, it was a difficult journey, he replied. The old traveler nodded and said, If you truly want to test your courage again, you must visit the Valley of Doubt. Mohit looked surprised. Valley of Doubt? What is that? He asked. The traveler replied, It is not a place of rocks or storms. It is a place where your mind becomes your biggest challenge. Those words stayed in Mohit's mind all night. The next morning, Mohit decided to visit the Valley of Doubt. Meera also joined him again. They walked together for many hours. Soon, the bright sunlight disappeared. A thick fog covered the path. Everything looked unclear and confusing. Mohit felt strange. Even simple steps felt difficult. He began thinking, what if I fail this time? What if I'm not strong enough? These thoughts made him feel weak. Meera noticed his silence. She asked, Mohit, why are you so quiet? Mohit replied, I feel scared, but not of the mountain. I feel scared of my own thoughts. Meera smiled gently. That is why this place is called the Valley of Doubt. As they walked deeper into the valley, Mohit heard a strange voice. It sounded like his own voice. The voice whispered, You can't do this. You were lucky last time. You will fail now. Mohit stopped walking. His hands began to shake. He felt nervous and confused. He turned to Meera and said, Did you hear that voice? Meera nodded. Yes, I heard it too. It is the voice of doubt. Mohit realized something important. Sometimes the biggest enemy is not outside, it is inside our mind. Meera said, When negative thoughts come, do not fight them. Replace them with positive thoughts. Mohit took a deep breath and said loudly, I am strong, I am capable, I will not give up. Slowly, the voice faded. Suddenly, strong wind began blowing. The fog became thicker. They could not see the path clearly. Mohit felt confused. He did not know which direction to follow. He sat down on a rock and said, I don't know what to do. Meera replied calmly. When the path is unclear, stop for a moment, think carefully, and move slowly. Mohit closed his eyes. He remembered his training on Mount Veer. He remembered how he stayed calm during rain. After a few minutes, he stood up again. He chose one path and walked carefully. Slowly, the fog started clearing. He learned that patience reduces confusion. After some time, Mohit and Meera reached a wooden bridge. The bridge looked old and weak. It moved slightly with wind. Below the bridge, there was a deep valley. Meera looked worried. This bridge looks dangerous, she said. Mohit also felt fear, but this time he spoke with confidence. Fear will not control us, he said. He stepped onto the bridge carefully. One step, two steps. The bridge shook, but he did not stop. Meera followed behind him. Halfway across the bridge, Mohit felt nervous again. But he reminded himself, I have done difficult things before. Finally, they crossed the bridge safely. They realized that confidence grows when we face fear. As they moved forward, the fog slowly disappeared. Bright sunlight returned. Beautiful flowers covered the ground. Birds started singing again. They reached the end of the valley. There, the old traveler was waiting. He smiled proudly. You have passed the valley of doubt, he said. Mohit asked, but there was no mountain here. Why was it so difficult? The traveler replied, because this valley tested your mind, not your body. He continued, the mountain tested your courage. The valley tested your confidence. Mohit smiled. He finally understood that self belief is stronger than fear. When Mohit returned to the village, he shared his new lesson. He told everyone, the biggest battle is not outside, it is inside our mind. Children listened carefully. Elders nodded with understanding. Mohit now felt stronger, not just in body, but in mind. He realized that courage alone is not enough. Confidence and positive thinking are also important. From that day, whenever Mohit faced doubt, he remembered the valley and believed in himself again. And that brings us to the end of today's story, The Valley of Doubt. In this story, Mohit learned that fear is not always outside. Sometimes fear comes from our own thoughts. But with patience, confidence, and positive thinking, we can overcome any doubt. Thank you so much for listening to this English podcast. Keep practicing English, keep believing in yourself, and remember, your mind is powerful. Use it wisely. So, see you in the next podcast.